Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default system font on Windows 10. Windows 10 typically uses Segoe UI as its standard font, but you can easily customize this to your preference. We will explore two main approaches: manually editing the Windows registry or utilizing convenient third-party applications. Before proceeding with any method, it is highly recommended to create a system, restore point, or back up your registry to ensure you can revert any changes if needed. This guide will help you achieve a fresh, personalized look for your operating system. The first method involves using the registry editor, which requires careful attention. Begin by opening your Windows settings and navigating to the font section to find the precise name of the font you wish to use. Next, open Notepad and paste a specific code snippet, replacing the placeholder text with your chosen font's exact name. Save this file with a reg extension, then double-click it to merge the changes into your system's registry. A quick restart of your computer will then apply your new default font. For those seeking an easier approach, several third-party tools simplify the font changing process. Applications such as Winarrow Tweaker or Advanced System Font Changer offer intuitive interfaces. These utilities often provide more granular control, allowing you to adjust not just the main system font, but also fonts for specific elements like menus, title bars, and icons. They typically include built-in features to revert to the default font or save different font configurations, making customization straightforward and less prone to errors. Before making any font changes, it is crucial to create a system restore point or back up your registry. This safeguards your system against potential issues, as incorrect registry edits can cause display problems or even system instability. If you wish to revert to the original font, you can merge a specific reg file designed to restore Segoe UI. Keep in mind that while most system elements will update, some third-party applications might retain their default fonts, as they do not always adhere to system-wide font settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.